Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to ColinsClub and Craig, and this is another Jeep video for all you Jeep lovers out there. So today we're going to be getting into changing the taillights. Now I'm going to show you what happens and why most of these stock 99 through 2004 Jeep Grand Cherokee taillights short out, and I've changed the bulbs, the sockets, the actual light too many times, and I'm fed up with it. So now today what we have in that box right over there is a new set of LED taillights that come with the resistor, and I'll show you all that. Now don't forget, the link to these taillights are in the description, and check out our Amazon store page, all right? Anything you buy off of that. They don't charge any extra, but they do give us a little commission, and it helps us out. We appreciate it. All right, here comes the excitement. I saw one of these taillights were on a Jeep going down the highway the other day, and I was behind it, and I was like, whoa, those are nice, and I found them. And I hate copycatting people, but I'm gonna tell you something. All right, so they're packaged up nice. Let's take a quick peek and we'll look at these. All right, so there you go, right out of the box. Comes with the reverse light, the blinker light. This is the LED right here, this part. Looks like there's a reflector here and here. That looks really nice, folks. Oh, and it's even got the little flap, very nice. And like I was saying too, the resistor is in this. A lot of people are like, well, if you get LED lights, you got a resistor? Yes, you don't have to worry about that. It's already done here. Let's take a quick peek at the other one. I mean, it's only gonna look the same, but just the opposite side, right? But you wanna do a good inspection when you open up these boxes, because some of the reviews I read, some people said that they came and they were a little scratched or whatever, but you know, I think the chances of that happening are like winning lottery, if you ask me. All right, here's the driver's side. Man, I'm gonna tell you right now, these look beautiful, beautiful. All right, I'm gonna put one of them on. I'll speed through it, fast forward it while I'm taking off the other one and putting this one on, and then just follow the same process on the other side. Before I change them out, let's take another quick peek at the stock ones. Now, these look pretty good because I do run a buffer on them and keep them nice and shiny. If you notice, this used to be all faded and clear coat peeling, which you can still see, but I ran a buffer on that with some compound. These are the stock ones. Just like up here, this all faded out, the paint all came off the top. I sanded it down and painted it myself. I also put the buffer with some compound on the stock brake light, which I do have another third brake light LED to go with these that I'll put on today too. All right, let's go. We're gonna take, these are 2 Phillips head screws. We'll put that in there. Get these off real quick and I'll show you how fast they come off. There's one screw. And that's kind of like, this is just like a dust cover or a cover to make it look pretty. There's a second one. Take that out. Then, when you pull this to the side, you gotta pull out evenly because it goes into a little bit of a clip in here. There you go, all right? That's simple. Let me pull this over a little more. And then right here, you're gonna have a little red clip in there. You gotta push that through to allow you to pull this off. My hand's in the way. All right, hold on 1 second. There we go. See how easy that is? Boom. Next one. This one, gonna go on the same way in reverse. We're gonna take this here. We're gonna put that on there. Make sure it's all the way on. And then push this red thing through. I don't think it's all, yeah it is. There we go. And then we're gonna go ahead and put this one back on the same way as the other one. Put these clips right here and I'll screw them on, and then I'll put the other one and show you how they look. All right, one thing I forgot is I am gonna change the third brake light up top to this lightly smoked one. Even though I said I buffed that with compound and have it looking new, I'm gonna change it out. I got the taillights in, but I'm gonna show you everything all at once. This is gonna take a T25 torque. All right, now we're gonna put the new LED light in. When you take the bulb out of the old one, this new one, it's set up to where it's plug and play. You just plug this wire right in where the bulb went in. There we go. All right, so I did notice that when you put the old factory bolts into the new LED light, they're gonna go in a little tight. Don't be afraid, you gotta just put them in there and start tightening it and it will go right in. Seems like the hole is a tiny bit smaller, but it will fit in. All right, let's test it all out and show you how it looks. Okay, let's do a quick comparison. There's the new LED light. Here's the old factory one, which it still looks shiny and good, the old one, but that's nice. And now let's do a comparison of the tail lights. Of course, there's the new tail lights. Let's put the old one up next to it. All right. Okay, like I said in the beginning, I want to show you why the factory ones short out also, because this is a major problem. You might have it for months, maybe a couple years, but this is why they short out. Let me turn this here, pull that plug. If you see right there, it's hard. If you look, see that, if you can see that plastic, it's melted where the tabs are. Well, right here, these two little tabs push on that, and after a while, I guess they just either go in or get real hot. And when they get hot, it melts it, and then it pushes, it goes down, or it just creates a short, and then you have no brake lights. And that's the factory issue. You can keep fixing it and getting new sockets or a new taillight, but go with the LED. So let me go ahead and turn the lights on, show you what it looks like, and I'll kind of get it from an angle also. I also wanted to get a side shot or an angle shot too. Now, of course, like I said, the LED is like a backwards E, right? But remember, the blinker light, which is up here, and the reverse light, which is here, they're bulbs. They're not LED. I believe there's bulbs you can buy out there to switch them over, but I'm fine with that. My main concern was making sure that the brake lights were brighter and that they were LED, just like the third brake light up on top. All right, folks, there you have it. Thanks for watching. All the links to everything that I do to my Jeep and stuff that we do around the house are all in the description down below by going to our Amazon store page. Again, if you go to our Amazon store page and you buy something by searching for it in our Amazon store page search bar, then they give us a commission for that. And it's a free way to support the channel. Really appreciate it, and keep your eyes out, your ears open and everything. Keep your ears open and your eyes out. And we'll be doing another video soon of something to my Jeep.